Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to show you how to remove bookmarks in PDF, and it will be a complete quick tutorial for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get it started. So if you want to remove the bookmark, you just need to be search this string PDF bookmark remove, and then you will get couple of options. So here you will just go to this website. It's called AVPDF. This is one of the perfect website I can say. So here you just need to click over here, and in this website you will get this couple of options. So here you just need to select your file. So I'm going to upload my website over that place. Let's click this one, and when it will be completely uploaded, here you just need to be enable this bookmarks options. Then you can enable this too also. If you fail to enable this one, then just click to the remove. Once you click over here, then it will take a couple of minutes and the selected content has been removed, and you just need to be click over here download. Once you download it, it will completely download. So this is the easiest way. Now you can see it how easy the process was. I hope you love this video. If you think this video was helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video.